Hey everyone! So, you turn on your Samsung TV. The sound is working, but the screen is completely black. Annoying, right? Don't worry, today I'll show you some simple steps to bring your picture back, and the best part is, most of these you can do yourself at home. Step 1. Power Reset. First, let's start with the basics. Unplug your TV from the wall and wait for 60 seconds. Yes, the full minute, no shortcuts here. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. Sometimes, all your TV needs is this little reset to get the picture working again. Step 2. Backlight Test. Still no picture? Let's test the backlight. Grab a flashlight and shine it directly on the screen. If you notice faint images or shadows, that means the backlight is faulty. In this case, you'll probably need a professional repair, so keep that in mind. Step 3. Check your cables. Now let's talk about cables. Loose connections are one of the most common reasons for this issue. So, unplug and replug every cable, HDMI, set-top box, console, whatever's connected. Then, use your remote to cycle through the inputs or sources. If one input isn't working but the others are, you've found the problem. Step 4. Device Settings. Sometimes it's not the TV at all. Your cable box, gaming console, or streaming device might have the output turned off or switched. So quickly check the settings or buttons on your connected device. Step 5. Different outlet. Here's one people often forget. Try plugging your TV into a different wall outlet. A faulty power socket can cause weird issues like this too. And that's it. 5 simple troubleshooting steps that can save you a lot of stress when your Samsung TV has sound but no picture. Remember, patience is key. If none of these work, don't hesitate to contact Samsung support or a qualified technician. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.